guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today I'm back with a new video. And I'm super excited about doing this video today because I finally got my hands on the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collaboration. When it came out, it sold out. So I was able to get my hands on it, and so today I'm going to give you a quick review on how this palette works and the quality of it, the colors, and I'm going to show you how I created this look. So if you're interested in checking out this video, then you guys already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Guys, so I'm super excited to really try this palette because when it first came out, it sold out too quickly for me, and they restocked it about a week ago, so I was able to get my hands on it. So I was like, okay, should I do the video, because I know there are like tons of reviews and tutorials on it, but I thought, you know what, I didn't give my review, I didn't give my input, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try this out, super excited, and I'm just gonna tell you guys what I think. So she has 16 eyeshadow shades in here. There are, I believe it's like 4 or 5 matte shades, and then there are some shimmer and duochrome shades. So I'm going to try to play around with a little of everything. Now I also did pick up one of the lipsticks, and there are 3 lipstick shades, but the other 2 were too light for my liking, so I chose to get one shade that I felt like would definitely work for me. And then she also has 2 shimmer loose powder highlighter shades, so I picked up one of them. Now the palette itself is $23. It sold out again, so if you didn't get it when they restocked it, I don't know if they're gonna restock it again. I actually hope that they do, but they might restock it again. But it's $23 for the palette, $7 for the lipstick each, or you can buy the set for $21, and then it is also $7 for the loose highlighters. So I swatched some of the shades, and you guys, look at that pigmentation. Yes, Shayla. The pigmentation on these eyeshadows are freaking so good. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. That looks so good. So I love blue eyeshadow and I think I'm gonna use that today, but I'm also kind of digging this green as well. So I don't know if I might want to do both or the blue. I think I'm gonna go with the blue. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes, and I'm just using this Marc Jacobs. This is his coconut eye primer. So I'm just gonna put that all over my lids. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is called Played Out. So this is this nice little matte brown shade, and I'm just gonna put that right above my crease. And that's a pigmented dark shade too. That's a pigmented brown. Sometimes the brown shades do not show up well on my, skin tone, but this one right here, oh, I'm here for it. So now I'm gonna go in with this midnight blue shimmer shade. It's called Stallion. And I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm gonna do like a little V shape with it. You guys, look how pigmented these colors are. I'm so here for it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the star of the show, which is this blue shade, and it's called number 14. And so I'm just gonna take this angled brush, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. This color is beautiful. Ooh, I just love blue eyeshadow, I swear. And I'm just gonna blend it right into that dark Stallion shade. These colors look so good. Look, oh, they're like really just popping off of my eyes. So now I'm just gonna go in with this Urban Decay black eyeliner pencil. It's in the shade 0. I'm not gonna do a cat eye. I'm just gonna line my lids. Alright, first of all, let me just thumbs up Shayla on this palette. I'm loving the colors. Let me know what you guys think about the blue so far in the comment section below. Also, can we just talk about no fallout? I mean, minimal, like literally minimal fallout. There is barely any fallout under my eyes. And sometimes, you know, with the colorful eyeshadow, there's always a lot of fallout because the eyeshadows are so bright. But this, minimal. Like, I'm here for it. Oh, Shayla, you did your thing, girl. You did your thing. All right, so I already did my little highlight, and I also put on some lashes with this because I feel like it's such a bold colored look. So I put on some lashes. Now I'm just gonna go in with this Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. This is actually become one of my faves because I just love how it spreads out the lashes. So the lashes I put on, I think, were the Ardell Wispies. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lower lash line. Well, on my lower lashes. Every time I put mascara on my lower lashes, I'm always like, you know, I think I try to do quick, fast, hurry because I'm just afraid that I'm gonna like get a nice smudge. Don't you hate that after you like did your whole face and then it's like a smudge of mascara? Oh, that burns me up. All right, so now, actually, you know what I forgot to do? I actually forgot to line my lower lash line. I'm just gonna do a little bit because it's dark and smoky up here, and I have almond shaped eyes. Sometimes I have to be careful that, you know, I don't make my eyes look, you know, even more small. So I'm not gonna do my whole lash line. I'm gonna do halfway. So now I'm gonna contour really quick, and I just wanted to break out the Shayla and Tardis palette. Remember this? This was her contour palette. I still have it. That contour shade is still one of my favorites. And as you can see, I was using this baby. So I'm just gonna do a little contour, a little light contour. And I'm just gonna put a little bit at the top of my forehead because I do have a huge forehead. So I feel like this look needs a little blush, and I'm gonna use this Nars Blush. This is in the shade Seduction, right? Yep, so this is Nars Seduction. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. So I'm going in with the loose highlighting powder, and this again is called Boomin'. We like the cars that go boom. I think that was by El Trim. Was that their name? That's a super old school song. That's like maybe early 90s or late 80s. I don't know. I know I'm getting old, man. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. A nice little gold highlighting shade. And it does have little holes in it, so I guess you can like shake it out. Can I pour it out? Oh yeah. Or does it twist? Okay, so it doesn't twist, but I think I can just pour it out. I'm just gonna take this fan brush and dip it a little bit because this seems like this might be a lot. All right, I'm gonna tap it. Ooh, yeah, I'm glad I tapped it. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Oh, do you guys see that? Do you see that? Ooh, yes, Shayla. All right, Shayla, I've already come to my conclusion that this palette, this collection, this collaboration is fire. Oh my gosh, look at this highlight. Look at this. Woo! See that cheekbone? I like when that highlight bling. It can only mean one thing. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this lipstick and see what that is about. All right, here for the highlight. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Must everything fall out my hand? Seriously. Okay, lipstick. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the lipstick, and it is called Come On Sis. Come on, sis. First of all, sis can be used in a negative way, and I feel like it's always used in a negative way. Anyway, come on, sis. So do I need a little? Nah, I think my lips are okay. They looking a little dry. No, okay, I think they're okay. All right, so let's go in. Let's see what this is about. Ooh. Alright, I don't want to put too much because I don't want my lips to look like a JJ now. Because this is that kind of pink. I didn't mean to say it like that, but you guys know what I mean. Alright, so I think I'm gonna finger blend. So that was kind of creamy. Do you guys think I need a liner? I don't know. Because you know, sometimes the light can make something look completely different. And then when you get out the light, it's like, ooh, girl, what you doing? See, and my top lip is darker than the bottom, so I always have to put more on my top lip. All right, I like this. I think this looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what do you feel about this look. But most importantly, Shayla, high five. I know you don't know me, but I'm just letting you know this here was on point. This palette here it's the bomb. Like, let me swatch some other colors for you just in case. So this is a purple color called September. Look at that. That's called September. And oh, look at this orange. This is an orange matte. Look at that. And that's called Thick, right? Thick or Trick? Thick. Look at that orange right there called Thick. Like, these colors are so good, and I like that the colors really, it's like a nice little mix of brights, neutrals, and just the kind of colors that I feel like are flattering on an array of skin tones. So I'm here for this palette. I'm gonna thumbs this up. The lipstick I like. It's a nice little nude shade. I could totally do a liner with it, but I'm also okay with it without the liner. That highlight, yes, I'm here for that highlight as well. So thumbs up. I have no issues with this. It was very minimal fallout. So if you haven't picked it up, I suggest you guys pick it up. I think it is worth it. So if you had to get anything, definitely get the eyeshadow palette. And if you're a lippy person, definitely try out the lipsticks, because this is creamy, but not like, you know, frost creamy. But nonetheless, I'm here for this. I like this look. Let me know again what you guys think in the comment section below. So that is it for me, guys. Make sure you guys thumbs this video up if you liked it. And also make sure you check out the blog stylishcurves.com for more fashion and beauty. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I welcome all newcomers. So anyway, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.